Do you want the sickness of your body to heal within the next 5 minutes? I know the pain in your body, that weight on your spirit, and the deep longing that comes out when the world is quiet at night. I've listened to what you said. I've witnessed tears that others haven't noticed. I totally get it. I've felt that weight you thought you were carrying all by yourself. You're really hoping to break free from this pain. You really want to get up and live freely again, without the hold of illness that keeps you down. So here I am, talking to you clearly. Healing is right around the corner for you. I'll give you 4 words that can open doors to what you once thought was impossible. Hey child, here's a key for you. Hold on to it really tight and just know that I'm doing something special for you at this very moment. The second word is receive. Let your heart be open. Don't second guess how valuable you are. Don't let shame, guilt, or fear trick you into thinking that my gifts are meant for everyone else but you. You're mine. I created you. I picked you. I've redeemed you, and I see you as worthy. I don't give based on perfection. I give because love is what I am all about. My love is flowing towards you like a powerful river, but you need to reach out and accept it. Embrace the fact that healing has already been secured for you through the stripes on my son's back. Take in the peace I'm sharing with you for your restless heart. Feel the strength that's flowing into your tired body right now. Don't just brush it off. I'm the one who created you, who carefully put you together in your mom's womb. I'm the one who brings healing. I'm the God of miracles. I've got something really important to share with you. It could totally change your life if you're open to it. You want to see a miracle happen with your health. I'm telling you, it's already within your reach. Let me share with you 4 amazing words. Words that hold my strength, my influence, and my affection. These words aren't just sounds or letters. They're like channels for my divine energy. When you say them with faith, they'll kickstart the healing I've already set up for you. These words aren't some kind of formula or magic spell. Reality of my promises and the chance to experience the fullness of my power in your life. Believe is the first word. Trust in me, for I am the Lord your God, the one who made heaven and earth. Trust that I can do even more than you can ask or imagine. Trust that I remain the same, no matter the day, yesterday, today, or forever. The God who split the Red Sea, brought the dead back to life, healed those with leprosy, and gave sight to the blind. Just know that I'm here with you right now. I see what you're going through, and I'm doing everything I can to help you out. Your belief is what opens the door to my miracles. You know, without a bit of faith, it's really tough to make me happy. With faith, you can make anything happen. When you believe, it's more than just wishing for a miracle. You're looking forward to it. You're saying that I am who I claim to be and that I'll follow through on my promises. My child, just have faith. Trust that your healing is already on its way, even if it's not visible just yet. Trust that I'm at work in your life, even when it seems like nothing's going on. Trust that I have your best interests at heart, and that my intentions for you are all about peace, not harm, aiming to provide you with a bright future and hope. The next word is receive. Take in my love, my grace, and my healing energy. My kids often have a hard time accepting what I'm trying to give them because they feel unworthy or get too caught up in their own limitation. My friend, just know that you are truly worthy. You're worthy because I've made you that way. I've got you covered, I've called you by name, and you belong to me. My love for you isn't about how well you do things or being perfect. It's all about who I am, and love is at the core of it. Just open your heart and let it in. Know that I'm here for you, not against you. Just know that I've already taken care of everything for your healing through the suffering my son Jesus Christ went through. Embrace the idea that my strength shines brightest when you're feeling weak. When you get it, you're not just saying thanks for my gifts. You're welcoming them in, letting them change you from the inside out. My child, take this. Take in my peace that goes beyond what you can comprehend. Take in my joy. It's what gives you strength. Feel my healing wash over you like a river, clearing away any hint of sickness and pain. The third word is declare. I'm here to share my promises with you because my words are alive and powerful, sharper than any two-edged sword. Just say that by my stripes you're healed. Just say it out loud. No weapon formed against you is going to succeed. Just know that I'm here for you, your safe place and your support, especially when things get tough. When you say my word, you're not just throwing around empty phrases. You're letting my power flow into your situation. Your words are connecting with my truth, and that truth can really set you free. So, my child, announce, say that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I want you to know that I am the God who heals all your diseases. I'm ready to say that nothing is impossible for me. When you share these truths, you'll notice my presence becoming even more powerful inside you. You'll notice the mountains in your life starting to shift. Your words hold a lot of weight, my child, since they come from my word. Let's talk about life, healing, and victory. The fourth word is trust. Put your trust in me completely and don't rely solely on what you think you know. Just know that I'm bringing everything together for your benefit. Even when you can't see the whole picture, just know that I've got everything under control. Even when life gets tough and the storms are swirling, just know that I'm here for you and I won't ever leave your side. Trust really is the core of what we have together. My child, it's all about knowing that I'm really me and that I'll keep my promises. Trusting me means letting go of your fears, doubts, and the urge to control everything. You're expressing, Lord, I might not have everything figured out, but I have faith in you. I'm not sure how this will turn out, but I have faith in you. I might not feel strong enough right now, but I really trust you. When you put your trust in me, I'll help clear the way for you. I'll be here to guide you, keep you safe, and take care of you. So, my child, just trust. Just know that I'm right here with you, and I'm making amazing things happen for you. Believe that your healing is definitely within reach. I'm sure about it because I've said it. I want you to take these 4 words, believe, receive, declare, and trust, and weave them into your everyday life. Say them out loud, think about them, and let them settle in your heart. As you go along, you'll start noticing changes in your body, your mind, and your spirit. I'll be right there with you, lifting you up and bringing you a sense of calm. Your sickness symptoms will start to fade away. You'll see that it's my hand making things happen. Get ready to experience the miracle you've been hoping for. It's not about anything you've done. It's all about the immense love I have for you. I want you to understand, my child, that this miracle isn't just about your body. It's for every part of you. I'm here to help heal your heart, mind, and soul. I'm in the process of fixing what's been broken, refreshing what's been worn out, and bringing back what has been lost. I'm creating everything fresh and new. I'm doing this for you. There's no need to be scared. Keep the faith and stay persistent. Your healing is a sure thing. It's a reality now because I've said it out loud. Grab those 4 words. Just believe, receive, declare, trust, and weave those into your day. Say them out loud, mull them over, and let them sink deep into your being. As you go along, you'll notice changes in your body, mind, and spirit. I'll be there, making my mark. I'll help you out where you need it most. My calm will soothe the storm of thoughts. Your symptoms will start to ease up. Energy is going to come back. Joy is going to grow. You'll get to see my hand in action. This miracle touches every part of you. Body, heart, mind, and soul, right? I fix what's been damaged. I refresh what's been used up. I bring back what felt like it was gone. I create everything fresh. Don't let fear control you. Try not to rely on doubt. Hang in there. Soon, you'll feel my fingerprints on every tough moment, and you'll realize I was always here with you. Just say it simply. The Lord is healing me. Keep saying it until it really resonates with you. Just say it when you wake up. Speak up when the pain starts to talk. Speak up when doubt comes around. These words really mean something. They're like the first glimpse of heaven's door swinging open. When you say, "The Lord is healing me," you're calling me your healer, the one that's beyond just doctors and medicines. The person who steps in when human effort wraps up. You're calling on my power. You make room for amazing things to happen. Faith drives everything. Your words drive the engine. Faith has the power to move mountains, calm storms, and reveal what's hidden. You wake up actively. Speaking truth is what brings heaven to life. Live as if you've been healed. Be like the whole thing. Walk as if you've been renewed. Joy isn't just something that happens at the end. It's all about having faith. Make sure your life shows the truth you stand by. Let your words create life, not fear. Pick words that inspire hope. Pick words that resonate with my constant truth. Keep saying, "Lord, you are healing me," until both my body and spirit start to follow what your words have declared. I'm here with you. I totally get what you're going through. I hear you loud and clear. I'm here and excited to help make amazing things happen for you. Keep these words close. Just believe, receive, and declare it. Trust me, and you'll see my glory unfold through your healing. Please say these words every day. It's not just once or twice. It's again and again until it feels like the heartbeat of your soul. Say them softly when you wake up in the morning, as a way to set your intentions for the day ahead. Share those words when your body feels sore, when pain seems like too much to handle, as a gentle reminder that healing is already happening within you. Use those words when doubts start to sneak in, when despair feels like a weight on your chest, and let them ground your spirit in the unshakable truth. Before you hit the hay, take a moment to declare them, letting go of your body, mind, and soul into the hands of the one who's always awake and watching over you. The more you say these words, the stronger their power will grow inside you. The more you say them out loud, the more you'll see their impact come to life. These words carry depth, not just empty sounds. They really have some heft to them. They have a strong presence. They bring life with them. When you say, "The Lord is healing me," you're really tapping into your faith. Faith really is something powerful, isn't it? It can move mountains, calm storms, and even bring about miracles. Faith acts like a bridge, linking you straight to your Creator, the one whose power effortlessly flows into every part of who you are. When you say these words, you're doing more than just hoping. You really set the stage for amazing things to happen, where healing can take place, and where the impossible seems to give way to the power of the Lord's name. These words create an opportunity for divine power to flow freely. When God moves, sickness can't stick around, pain doesn't hang on, and fear can't take root. No one can stand against His authority. These words aren't just tied to your body. They touch every part of who you are. They help you feel better, ease your worries, and lighten the weight on your heart. They dive into the shadows of your past and help heal those wounds you thought would never get better. They connect with your present and bring you a sense of calm where there used to be unease. They stretch out into your future and quiet the fears that are trying to take away your tomorrow. When you mention that the Lord is healing me, you're not just talking about getting better. You're welcoming a sense of completeness. You're welcoming a fresh start. You're reaching out to the Creator to fix what's broken, refresh what's tired, and bring back everything that seems lost. When you invite Him in, He responds. He heals, He restores, and He makes you feel complete. I want you to say these words when you're feeling really confident and also when you're feeling unsure. These words aren't based on how you feel or what's happening around you. They're rooted in my truth, which stays the same no matter what. So, no matter what challenges you're facing or how you're feeling, keep saying these words. As you hear these words, know that the Lord is healing you. Day by day, you'll notice changes in your life. You'll feel His presence growing stronger within you, and you'll see the symptoms of your sickness fading away. Your strength will return, your joy will increase, and your peace will deepen. You'll witness His hand at work in your life and experience the miracle you've been longing for. These words aren't just words, they're a gateway to His power and a pathway to your healing, my child. Just wanted to let you know that I'm here with you on this journey. I'm right here with you through all the tough times, the struggles and the doubts. I'm by your side during those weak moments and also when you're feeling strong. When you think about giving up, I'm there, and when you're ready to keep going, I'm with you then too. I'll always be here for you and won't ever leave you or let you down. So don't be afraid, don't doubt, and don't give up. Just keep saying these words. The Lord is healing me. Keep believing in your power, keep receiving love, keep declaring promises, and keep trusting in faithfulness. Remember, I am the Lord your God, and I'm here to heal you, restore you, and make you whole. Don't forget, my child, words hold a lot of power, don't they? They can lift you up or bring you down, heal or hurt, give life or take it away. The words you choose to speak over your life can really shape your reality, so it's important to pick them wisely. Go for words of faith, hope, and life. Choose words that resonate with the truth, reflect promises, and invite a sense of presence. When you start speaking these kinds of words, you'll notice a shift. You'll see power at work in your life, glory revealed, and you'll feel that connection with the Lord who heals you, my child. I love you more than you can imagine. My love for you is endless, unchanging, and unconditional. There's nothing you can do to make me love you more or less. You are my precious child, and I'm so proud of you. I see your faith, your perseverance, and your heart, and it brings me joy. So take heart, my child. Your miracle is here, your healing is here, and I'm right here with you, now and forever. Speak these words daily. The Lord is healing me, and as you do, you'll see my glory revealed in your life. You will know that I am the Lord your God who heals you. Amen.